Time has come, everyone. Time has come. Finally got the Focus into the shop, and take a look at it real quick. Main focus on today's video. We painted the parts last video. In today's video, we'll be removing the fender, the bumper, and yeah, that's basically it. Oh yeah, one more part I need to replace is we'll be also replacing the windshield wiper. On the passenger side doesn't work. I believe the motor is out, so this is the replacement part. We're replacing that. We're going to try to take off all the plastics of this original bumper. All of them are nice and undamaged, as I can say. The bumper is actually, I mean, you could repair that, but this scrap right here, nah, I'm not gonna mess with that. Same thing with the fender. And the color I was talking about, this color right here, you can tell that someone bonded it, because this is all peeling off where it's been sprayed. And somebody did a horrible job. That's one thing. Second thing, the paint doesn't match at all. Look at this, it's like a yellow white. You see? Boom. We also will be unpackaging the clutch kit for the 2015 Ford Focus. Super excited. That's $1,000 right here. Let's see who else we got in the shop here. Look who we have here. Yeah, that's cute. Nice. Dun 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 dun.
Damn, can't hide from you anywhere.
I know, I catch you everywhere, man. And I got the camera going too. Always, bro.
Damn,
Yo, is this it right here? Are you done?
I gotta weld it.
Nothing about the framework wise.
Oh, yeah.
Let's check it out, dude. Check it. Wow. No, this is beautiful, dude. Look at that job there. Nice. So this is the car that's gonna be in the race.
Check out the interior, the seats and everything.
I will. Ta 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 ta. Funny, huh? Real funny.
I'm just gonna use the lowest bucket to sit on.
Reduce weight?
Yeah, reduce weight.
Oh man. No, this is cool. No, we're also I'm gonna go with him and join him. Do some recording there. Should be a fun little event. If you guys are not a follower or viewers, click on the link below and you got it. Cool. Okay, I got my painted parts in this area with this beautiful truck. Yes, that's a trimmer. And then another cool car here. Yep, that's a Vega. Or Vega, there we go. Nice, huh? Fully restored. So, look at this. While it dried, there's no leaks whatsoever, because sometimes overnight, you'll get a surprise leak somewhere. So, same thing with the bumper. So we're gonna move him into the front area now. And this is where we sprayed. And we got Evo pulling in, doing a little weld job on his Focus. Awesome. Hey Tony, look at the difference of the fenders, man. The color, white, some weird color, and you got our color. And the bumper once again. The color matches good on the bumper. All right, let's get into this. I'm gonna remove the bumper, the fender, disassemble the bumper, assemble the bumper, and put everything back on. Before we get into the video, I do want to unpackage this clutch kit. So apparently For the fluid wise, this is the fluid that you should use. It's hecka expensive, but it takes 1.8 quarts. Now, as for the kit itself, this is the brand that Ford uses. This is what you want to use. All right, let's open it up. Nicely packaged. So here we go. This is what we have here. Brand new. Look at this. Beautiful. Look at this thing. Okay. And so that's for the second package. And the bolts. We have our forks here. Oops, don't want to lose on this stuff. I'm not going to unpackage it really, but let's take a closer look. There's one fork. This is the second fork. I can't say what really happened to mine yet. I'm going to talk about it when we take it apart. Oh, that's nice. Nope, I got to move this stuff apart. Once again, Luke brand is what you need.
Double, yeah.
Okay, let's go under. Oh, you guys having a little chat here?
Yeah.
Chit chat, chitty chat? While I'm doing all the dirty work?
Yeah.
Let's see how it rolls. Okay, this right here, my dear friends, is the solenoid B on the transmission. Igor, solenoid B makes it go into reverse, right?
Reverse, second, fourth, and sixth.
That's solenoid B, actuator solenoid B. And A does the rest.
Yeah. A 1, 3, 5.
Gotcha, thank you. So we can tell that this car has been worked on and the bumper has been changed. It's obvious. Everything else looks good though. It looks really clean. Look at this. And luck, so far, we had no issues. Actually, I had one issue with the transmission shifting, but the battery was old and I changed it. So that is working fine right now. But we will see within time. Okay, let's continue with the bumper. Oh, look at this. This is cool. Yeah. That works, I guess. Should be like this. The T27. And they have Harbor Freight bolts in here. Okay guys, this should be the last bolt, but you never know, man. Look at this. This thing is gonna give me trouble because the screw is stripped. No, it's not. It just really jammed in there. Yeah. So far, this little screw is giving me the most problems. I finally got it going with the flathead, and I gotta work with it. Here we go. Okay, this should be the last thing that we have to remove before we remove the bumper. Let's see what it's gonna do now. work with this. That's nice. That'll work. The gap is beautiful. That's it. All right, everyone. I'm gonna call it quits for today. I still want to wash all that, pressure wash all of that right there. Clean out the dirt because it does have a lot of dirt in there. The fender is completely done. I'm gonna have to put the inner fender on. That will be in a later time. I'm more focused on this bumper right now. I was trying to take off all the bumper supports, the grills, I took off the bumper trim, or bumper spoiler probably. Well, that came out easily. The rest is gonna take me some time to get off. So I'm gonna do that tomorrow. And I also want to focus on these headlights. I will be buffing them out, and I will be installing brand new headlights, or light bulbs, sorry. So this is it right here. This is the windshield wiper passenger side motor. Hopefully it works. And the other headlight is right here. The same thing, we will sand all this with 1000 grit, wet sand with 1000 grit, and then we'll clear coat it. But before we clear coat this even, we will also, which I forgot to do, I'm gonna have to spray this mirror right here. This is crap. Okay, this is it for today. Beautiful car, we'll get it running this week. One more thing, fellas, I forgot to mention, I got these dents here. So anyone in the Asheville area, if you guys do dent removal, please contact me. Let me know how much this will cost to get removed. And also you'll be on the channel doing it. So please give me a message below, direct message me, or how they say it, DM me. Excellent. And Tony's wrapping up with his Lexus too. Tony, you good? There we go. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time.